What's up, guys? It's Lucy, and I this is my first video for the Jordan 1 Off-White, and it's the yellow one. For now, we're not sure if it's gonna release from Travis Scott, but it's a new samples from my factory, and I work for my factory only, and we do the Jordans and Yeezys in my factory. Later, I'm gonna show you the factory's working series and do a whole shootings of factory. So we can check some details, and they comes exactly like the same with the other Off-White of the Jordan 1 from the Travis Scott. And the times you still use the lemon orange Nike Air tags, and you can see the qualities. Also, the ears here have the print tag of the Jordan. You can see if it works good. And welcome to point out some details, details which we not doing very good, so you can point out so I can ask my factory to change. Nike logo here comes still have the orange step, and you can see the stitching if all is good, and the air characters print if it's good. Also, let's check the print of the sentence of Air Jordan 1. Here, the letters with the stitching, the position, if it's correct. Please check out for us and give us some advice. Okay, and here, the materials, also the heels, and the bottom. Inside, we need to everyone that can talk us some advice so we can make the UA shoes better, and you can get the best quality with the lowest price. Here the Nike laces with the shoes lace and the quartz here print. It comes with the list tag too. Okay, you can check the whole pairs again. And if you got advice, please write on under my video and subscribe to me. And thank you so much for watching the video. I'm gonna show you more in the future. And see you next time. Bye.